To use the Brightspace to CUNYfirst Grade Passback feature, you must configure the final calculated grade for your course to use a letter-based grading scheme. Brightspace is configured to show percentage grades, not letter grades, by default. So if you open up Grades by clicking Grades here, we'll see that the final calculated grade is being calculated as a percentage, not a letter grade. So to change this, we click on the down pointing arrow next to where it says Final Calculated Grade, choose Edit, and then scroll down, and here under Grade Scheme, select Hunter Graduate Grade Schema for a graduate course, or Hunter Undergraduate Grade Schema for an undergraduate course, and click Save and Close. Now you'll see that the grade is being calculated as a letter grade. Once you see letter grades for your students, you can then use the Grade Passback feature to automatically import your Brightspace grades into your CUNYfirst Grade Roster.